How to 3D print your own miniature bathtub. This file has been designed to print very easily without support and can be used on a single color printer. After purchasing and downloading the file, we recommend extracting or unzipping the file folder to make sure everything shows. You can either open the 3MF file that has everything, or you can open them individually. This one is for the bathtub, and when we run it on the Bamboo X1C, it will take about 30 minutes. This is a very modern style bathtub, so it's very square and you shouldn't have any issues with it warping or lifting. Next, we'll print the faucet, and I usually run this in silver. It's 3 different parts so that you don't have to have any supports and everything interlocks inside of each other. And it should take under 10 minutes. And then you will simply need to glue all the pieces together. We like the weld bond glue because it has kind of a long setup time, so you can adjust things if you need to a little bit, and it doesn't burn or cause any issues on a 3D print. We glue all the pieces of the faucet together and let that dry, and then we can add it to the tub. One side of the tub is a little bit thicker, and that's the side that we want to put the faucet on. Make sure that it's centered side to side and front to back as well. But that's why we like this glue. We can kind of set it in place and adjust it just a little bit if we need to. Once that's dry, you have a completed modern bathtub for your 1/24 scale dollhouse. Thanks for watching.